See, suppose you have a charge. Q is some charge, right? Q is some charge. The charge gives electric field in all direction, correct? Charge gives electric field. Now P is some point which is at a distance of R. Then if you keep a unit charge 1 coulomb, it experiences a force acting on a unit charge. This force acting on a unit charge is nothing but electric field or electric intensity. What is what? Electric intensity. What is the formula for this? Is a problem. Okay. Here, force acting on a unit charge, right? This force acting on a unit charge is nothing but electric field or electric intensity. The electric intensity sometimes it is denoted by E. That means electric intensity is what? Force acting on a unit charge. That is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. What is that? Q1 and Q2. Q1 by Q2, that is a Q1 and Q2 by R square. Force per unit charge, Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. Therefore, electric intensity at that point is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This you know. Alright. Now, there is some charges there. This is some charge. Right. 4 nanocoulomb. Right. There is some distance. There is a point which is the distance of half centimeter. What is the electric field at this point? If I ask you, what is half centimeter? 0.5 centimeter, correct? See, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. You remember this? Understood? No? Now, what is mu means what? Micro. That is 10 to the power of minus 6. N represent nano. 10 to the power of minus 9. Pico means 10 to the power of minus 12. Fermi is what? 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. All these things, you know all this. Now, what is electric intensity? They are asking. What is electric intensity? The point. Electric intensity, what is this value? 9 into 10 to the power of 9. The electric intensity is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Into what is the charge here? This is Q. So this is what? 4 nanocoulomb. Nano means 10 to the power of minus 9. Divided by, what is the distance here? 0.5 into 10 to the power of centimeter is what? Minus 2 meter. Okay. This is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. Understood? No? 5 into. Therefore, you can write here, let it be like this here. 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square, is it not? Whole square. Understood? The electric intensity is equal to 9 into 4 into 10 to the power of plus 9 minus get cancelled. 0, no? Plus 9 minus 9. Thereby 0.5 the whole square into 10 to the power of minus 4. This is 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. 9, 4 into 0.5 is what? 0.5 whole square is equal to 0.5 into 0.5. 0.25, correct? 0.25. This 10 to the power of minus 4. Some people they cancel this. You should not cancel this. 9 4s are 36, right? 0.25 into 10 to the power of 4. See, remember 0.25. 0.25 can be just 25 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Right? Therefore, 36 divided by 25 into 10 to the power of minus 2. This 10 to the power of 4 goes up. 36 divided by 25 into 10 to the power of 6. Understood? Here, see here, what I do is 36. See, 36 divided by 25. How much you get? 1.44. 1.44 into 10 to the power of 6. Understood? Therefore, the electric field. What is the electric field unit? 1.44 into 10 to the power of 6. Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. How much marks they can give? They can give for 2 marks. For CET and NEET and all that, this calculation will not be there. Simple, it will cancel such a way that you have to make a round off number only. Therefore, this is they may ask you for 2 mark also. Right? Just this is writing this expression. This is writing this 1 mark. Then calculation full is got 1 mark only. Now the question is why we need all these things. See, idea is very simple. If I do this way, suppose another problem. Charge is what? 9 millicoulomb. M means millicoulomb. Now there is one particular point P. P is at a distance of 0.1 meter. What is the electric field? How to start? These are a small problem. R. Therefore, what is electric field at the point or electric intensity at that point? One and the same. That is equal to force experienced by a unit positive charge kept at that point. That is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Units are Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. Correct now? Therefore, this is what electric intensity point is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of minus 9 or plus 9? Plus 9 into q. Q is what? 9 milli. This is called milli. 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay? Coulomb by r square. R is 0.1. See, R is what? 0.1 is also 10 to the power of minus 1. Understood, no? 10 to the power of minus 1 whole square. This is equal to 9 9s are 81 into 10 to the power of plus 9 minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Understood? 81 into 10 to the power of, what will happen? 9 minus 3 6. This goes up plus 2. Therefore, 81 into 10 to the power of how much? 8 or 8.1 into 10 to the power of 9. Right? So much Newton. Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. Easy, no? Therefore, writing this formula, the examination, this one, if you write this formula, they give for 1 mark. And working out this is called 1 mark. Now, 2 mark problem, you are doing it, right? The same thing for CET also. CET, NEET, simple, but there you can't do it. NEET also same thing. Therefore, NEET they will give, and entrance exam, all competitive exams they give. Because people, they are reluctant to start the problem. Now you are starting the problem. You have started 2 problems, right? Another question, I will give another thing. This is second problem.
But same question if they give in the NEET.
No problem.
They have to work out, is it? No.
Work it out, the numbers will be changed. No problem. Number will be changed. This is the thing. Now, what is another question? Third question. What is that? Calculate the electric field. Charge is how much? I will give another problem. 2 microcoulomb, right? At a point, calculate the electric intensity at a point at a distance of 1 millimeter from 2 microcoulomb. What is this? Calculate the electric intensity at a point. Calculate electric intensity at a point 1 millimeter from 2 microcoulomb. Here, what is the distance? 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter means 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. What is charge here? Charge is 2 microcoulomb. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb. What is electric intensity at the point? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge by r square. What is Newton per coulomb or volt per? See how many times we keep on repeating electric intensity at point we are getting it. Understood? No? This is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. It is charge is what? What is charge? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Divided by r is what? R is 10 to the power of minus 3. The whole square. That is equal to 9 into 2, how much? 18, no? 18 into 10 to the power of, what is it? 9 minus 6. Divided by 10 to the power of minus 6. It goes up. Okay? 18 into 10 to the power of, here how much? 9 minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. 18 into 10 to the power of 9. The electric field at this point is equal to 1 point into 10 to the power of 10. Okay? Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. Easy, no? Now how they allot the marks? 1 mark for writing the electricity. This one. 1 mark for answer. Easy, no?